So once you begin to be introduced both to IFS and effortless mindfulness, you can just move and navigate your own consciousness. For instance, you can feel anxiety in your body, and you might say from everyday mind, I am anxious. But then if you notice if there's a part that feels anxious and ask for some space, you develop this witness that feels that part is anxious, but there are other parts that aren't anxious. And then the question is, who is or what is aware of this part that's observing and the anxious part? And here we go into self-essence or awake awareness, and then ask, how do you feel toward these two parts in your body? And we begin to feel this self-energy, this compassion, and from here we can respond to the parts inside, or we can walk outside and respond to others through self-leadership. So how do we move or navigate through the 5 levels of mind using IFS and effortless mindfulness? So you start with how you're feeling here and now. Perhaps you feel some anxiety in your body. So you say to yourself from everyday mind, I feel anxious. Then you can ask and make a move to subtle mind and be curious, is there a part of me that's anxious? And maybe another part or two that are not anxious. And find that part in or around your body. And now ask that part for some space, and now you have this mindful witness, or this self-like part that's aware. So the question then becomes, who or what is aware of the anxious part and this observing part? As you do, you open to see who or what is aware that isn't a part. And as you do, you begin to feel this spacious, awake self-essence. And then asking the question, how do you feel from this awareness toward your body and these parts? You begin to feel that it's like an ocean and wave, that the self is within these parts, within your body, and there's a flow. And then from here, you can respond both internally and begin to move into self-leadership by speaking for these parts and speaking from this self that is aware, embodied in this awake, loving flow, and able to live this life even when things outside or inside are difficult.